Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn some more Konkani sentences that will help you to learn Konkani very fast. So before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet and keep following my channel to learn Konkani. So let's begin. The first sentence. Come this side. In Konkani we say, He waten yo. He waten yo. What to do? In Konkani we say, Kide kariya? Kide kariya? Nothing is there at home. In Konkani we say, घराकडे काहीच ना. घराकडे काहीच ना. I told. In Konkani we say, हांवें सांगलें. हांवें सांगलें. The next sentence. Early in the morning. In Konkani we say, फातोडेर. फातोडेर. He understood his mistake. In Konkani we say, ताका ताची चूक समजली. ताका ताची चूक समजली. The next sentence. I can smell something. In Konkani we say, म्हाका कसली तरी वास येता. म्हाका कसली तरी वास येता. I'm at home. In Konkani we say, हांव घरा कडेन आसा. हांव घरा कडेन आसा. Let me see. In Konkani we say, म्हाका दाखय. म्हाका दाखय. Let me also see. In Konkani we say, म्हाकाय दाखय. म्हाकाय दाखय. When will they come? When will they come? In Konkani we ask, ती सगळी केन्ना येतली? ती सगळी केन्ना येतली? Which one is new? In Konkani we ask, नवें खंयचें? नवें खंयचें? Let us go. In Konkani we say, आमी या. आमी या. When do you eat? When do you eat? In Konkani we ask, तू केन्ना जेवता? तू केन्ना जेवता? The next sentence. When did you eat? When did you eat? In Konkani we ask, तू केन्ना जेवलो? तू केन्ना जेवलो? If you're asking a boy, you must say, तू केन्ना जेवलो? If you're asking a girl, you must say, तू केन्ना जेवले? If you're asking a lady, you must say, तू केन्ना जेवली? When will you eat? In Konkani we ask, तू केन्ना जेवतलो? If you're asking a boy, we say, तू केन्ना जेवतलो? If you're asking a girl, you must say, तू केन्ना जेवतलें? If you're asking a lady, you must say, तू केन्ना जेवतली? Give me water. In Konkani we say, म्हाका उदक दी. म्हाका उदक दी. Give them water. In Konkani we say, तांकां उदक दी. तांकां उदक दी. Give him water. In Konkani we say, ताका उदक दी. ताका उदक दी. Did you get it? In Konkani we ask, मेळ्ळें तुका? मेळ्ळें तुका? The train is about to come. The train is about to come. In Konkani we say, train येवपाची आसा. Train येवपाची आसा. Hurry up please. In Konkani we say, मातशें बेगीन कर. मातशें बेगीन कर. Don't think much. In Konkani we say चड चिंतनाका. चड चिंतनाका. Mom, I was busy yesterday. In Konkani we say आई म्हाका काल खूब काम आशिल्लें. म्हाका काल खूब काम आशिल्लें. The next sentence. How is he now? How is he now? In Konkani we ask आता कसो आसा तो? आता कसो आसा तो? If you're asking about a girl, you must say आता कशें आसा तें. आता कशें आसा तें. And if you're asking about a lady, you must say आता कशी आसा ती. आता कशी आसा ती. Are you going out somewhere? Are you going out somewhere? In Konkani we ask खंय भायर वता? खंय भायर वता? Yes, I'm going to see my friend. Konkani we say हय म्हज्या इश्टाक मेळपाक वता. म्हज्या इश्टाक मेळपाक वता. When will you return? When will you return? In Konkani we ask केन्ना परत येतलो? केन्ना परत येतलो? What's the matter? In Konkani we say कितें जाला? If you are asking a very known person, if you know that person very well, then we can also say like अरे कितें जाला. We can use the word अरे for a boy. We can use the word आगो for a girl. आगो कितें जाला. And for a lady we say आगे कितें जाला. Okay? And if you don't know that person very well, then you can just say कितें जाला. Oh, nothing special. In Konkani we say खास कांय ना. खास कांय ना. How to fill this form? In Konkani we ask हो फॉर्म कसो भरप? हो फॉर्म कसो भरप? How is your health now? In Konkani we ask तुजी भलायकी आतां कशी आसा? तुजी भलायकी आतां कशी आसा? I'm worried about my mother. In Konkani we say म्हाका म्हज्या आईचो हुस्को दिसता. She had come to see me yesterday. In Konkani we say ती काल म्हाका मेळपाक आयिल्ली. ती काल म्हाका मेळपाक आयिल्ली. She has failed in the exam even this year. In Konkani we say अंदूय तें परिक्षेत नापास जाला. अंदूय means this year. Parikshit means in the exam. Napas means fail. When did you buy this scooter? In Konkani we ask ही स्कूटर तुवें केन्ना विकती घेतली? ही स्कूटर तुवें केन्ना विकती घेतली? Not me, my sister has bought it. In Konkani we say हांवें न्हय म्हज्या भयणीन ती विकती घेतल्या. Last Sunday. In Konkani we say फाटल्या आयतारा. फाटल्या आयतारा. Food is ready. In Konkani we say जेवण तयार आसा. In Konkani we say जेवण तयार आसा. May I serve? In Konkani we ask वाडू. वाडू. The next sentence. What are you going to do this evening? In Konkani we ask if you are asking a boy we say आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतलो? आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतलो? If you are asking a girl we say आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतलें. आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतलें. If you're asking a lady, we say आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतली. आयज सांजे वेळार कितें करतली. I want that pen. In Konkani we say म्हाका तें पेन जाय. म्हाका तें पेन जाय. This is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and keep following my channel. Thank you.